Mastering English idioms. Understanding, as still as a statue. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a vivid and expressive idiom that paints a clear picture in just a few words. As still as a statue. This phrase is a fantastic example of how English uses imagery to convey specific meanings. Stick around as we unravel the essence of this idiom, helping you not only understand it but also use it effectively in your conversations. When we describe someone or something as still as a statue, we're painting a picture of absolute stillness and immobility. Statues, being inanimate objects, do not move. Therefore, this comparison is used to emphasize the lack of movement or the deep level of concentration or focus in a person or an object. It's often employed to describe someone who is so motionless that they resemble a statue, perhaps because they are intently focused, in deep thought, or trying not to be noticed. This idiom is versatile and can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal writing. Here are a few examples. Observing nature. The cat sat as still as a statue, eyes locked on the unsuspecting bird. Describing concentration. He stood as still as a statue, absorbed in his painting, not even noticing us enter the room. In literature and storytelling, authors may use this phrase to describe a character who is frozen in fear, anticipation, or awe. It's important to note that while the idiom conveys a sense of motionlessness, the reasons behind this stillness can vary widely, adding a rich layer of meaning to your sentences. Interestingly, the idea of comparing someone's stillness to a statue transcends English and can be found in many other languages and cultures, showcasing the universal human appreciation for art and the human form. This idiom, like many others, highlights the beauty of language in conveying complex ideas through simple comparisons. While as still as a statue is the most common formulation, variations might include as motionless as a statue, or frozen like a statue, each with a slightly different nuance but the same underlying meaning. We hope this exploration of the idiom, as still as a statue, has added another colorful expression to your English language toolkit. Idioms like this enrich our speech, allowing us to convey vivid images and emotions with just a few words. Remember, the beauty of language learning lies in understanding these nuances and using them to express yourself more precisely and colorfully. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to uncovering more linguistic treasures with you in our next video. Happy learning!